Hello everyone, Jake here. This is my daughter Jackie. We're going to be making some hybrid handle blanks that are in floating colors, they're neon colors, and they glow underneath the black light. So we're going to be using Illuminate Clear Slow. Jackie's going to start mixing that, and then I'm going to show you what we're dealing with today. We always talk about safety first. We got gloves, glasses, a well ventilated area. If we were doing this not on camera, we would have respirators on, but we're not, so we need to talk to you. So we're not wearing respirators right now, but we do have a very well ventilated area, so we're safe in our shops. You be safe in your shops. Today we're going to be making some handles. Here's one of the kind of molds that I have. It's a single mold. This is stabilized maple burl. It's been in the oven for about an hour for 150 degrees. And then we also have a triple mold that I make. They're pretty cool. And same deal with that. It has stabilized maple burl in it that's been in the oven also. So what we're going to do here, let's get back here. There's Jackie. Illuminate Clear Slow has a 12-minute working time, suggested working time, but we go by temperature. I'm going to show you what the temperature does, but in this particular case, we need it to get to a certain temperature like this, just with clear, and then we're going to mix it in with our colors. And I'm going to show you what the temperatures are here. This is Illuminate Clear Slow with just some red mica powder, and it's mixed. The red is mixed in with the clear at about 80 degrees. So that's cold. And as you can see, it's not very defined and it's mixing together. But if you wait till 105 to pour them together, then you get this. This is very defined. It's not trying to mix. The clear is clear, the red is red. So just imagine yellow and blue make green. This would be yellow and blue, and this would be green. So that's the thing on that. The colors that we're using are from Eye Candy Pigments. These are pastes. These are their new neon pastes, and they are pretty cool. We already have everything divvied up. Jackie's going to mix this until it's about 95, 97 degrees, and then we're going to come back at that point, and then we'll start mixing colors. We're almost 9 minutes in, and this is 96 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. We're going to put it in these cups. We're going to do one with the lights, one set of these with the lights on, and then one underneath the black light. So let's get this done. This is going to show you exactly how we do it. And there's going to be just a little bit of color. I think I mixed more than enough. So basically we want a bunch of clear in these and just a little bit of color floating around. And we'll show you that. So me and Jackie I'll stop talking and we'll do some mixing. As you can see right now, that's 106. That one's 95-ish. This one's 98. As long as they're not too far apart, they're going to stay separated. So we're kind of at the point where we just got to go. We're going to fill these to where they're almost to the fill line in the mold. We're going to add some more with the colors, so we don't want it to overflow. Now that I said that, we're probably going to overflow them because that's how it works. And hopefully we have enough. And just barely. So Jackie's going to clean this for me. Thank you, Jackie. From a high distance, go ahead and let it drop in there. Make sure we get a little bit of each color in each blank. And these ones that we've made before, we think we have too much color in there, so we're just trying something different today. It's hard to talk while we're doing this. But this is awesome. These should be awesome. Now, Jackie will get these in the pressure pot very carefully. She will get those in there and we'll go ahead and apply pressure to them. We're going to get this next set all ready to go. And then we'll come back when we're about to pour it underneath the black light. We'll have the temperatures right and everything. So we'll see you in just a second. Here we go. We're just going to show one here. This is so cool. Let's see. Be careful when you're pouring in the dark, people. Whew. And Jackie will get these in the pressure pot. Pretty please. We'll get these in the pressure pots and we'll come back in 2 hours to demold them. And then we'll see what we got. All right. These things came out pretty awesome. With Illuminate Clear Slow, you do have to have a pressure pot. You do have to weigh the resin before you mix it up. So that's one of those things to keep in mind. These pigments from Eye Candy are awesome, and I'll have links below to all that stuff and affiliate codes. So go down and check all that stuff out. Silicone molds also. So go check that stuff out. We'll get this stuff demolded for you. Let's do it. Go ahead, Jack. These molds, you just break the seal from around the sides, and then lift it right out. Oh my goodness. Okay, fast forward. Oh my goodness, look at that, Jackie. We're going to go outside and we're going to cut these with the table saw to final dimensions for sale. We have them 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. I'm going to cut them with the table saw, and I have a link to a video. I'll put it right there, and then we'll come back. We'll check it out, and we'll check out what you can make with it, and we'll show it underneath the black light. So we'll be right back. Right, and here we are. We have these cut, and I'm going to show you real quick what you can make out of these. I just did a video turning these ones. I turned a little bit under the black light. It's more difficult than you think. I didn't do it very long, but here's what you can make, and then we'll show you these underneath the black light. Here is a bottle opener, and this is just like one of these blanks that we just made, and it's super cool. And I'll set it here, and I'll show you another kind of style, and this is just with scraps in there. It doesn't have the spiky bits or the cool burl sides, burl caps or whatever, but it turns out fantastic. So, ready for black light? Okay, she says she's ready. Let's go. Here we go. This stuff looks so cool under a black light. Look at that. Look how swirly it is in there. We showed you how to cast it at 105 degrees to get that color separation. How cool is that? Look at that. I'll give you another example here. Super cool. So here are these ones that are turned already. These are the kind of blanks that you can get out of this. The Eye Candy Pigments paste, the neon paste, I'll have those linked below with a 15% coupon code. It's super awesome. So if you like what we did here, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe, come and see us on Saturday Morning Cartoons. It's the show that we do every Saturday at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. Come and see us. And go check out these blanks at NorthsideCustomCrafts.com. Go check out the links below. See you later. Bye.